Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Ashwini Priyadarshan. Today's recipe is Pav Bhaji. So those who are missing the Pav Bhaji street style, let's make it at home. Here is the process. First, in a pressure cooker, I'm adding cauliflower pieces. Along with this, I'm adding carrots and potatoes, 2 cups of water. I have taken 1 big potato, 2 carrots and half gobi. We need to pressure cook this for 3 whistles just to make sure all the vegetables are cooked perfect and soft so that it will be easy for us to mash those vegetables for further process. Now once the pressure is released, vegetables have turned soft and they are cooked well. I'm just mashing those vegetables with a masher, and the consistency should be like this, little bit of watery, so that we don't need to add any extra water while cooking. Now in a pan, I'm adding 1 spoon of butter and I have added 1 big onion which is finely chopped. For Pav Bhaji, butter tastes so good. Next, I'm adding finely chopped green chilli and capsicum. For Pav Bhaji, we have to finely chop all the vegetables which we are using. Now I'm adding 1 spoon of salt, little bit of turmeric powder and mixing it well. Cook for about 2 to 3 minutes until the onions change in color. I'm closing the lid and cooking for 3 minutes. Now I'm adding 1 spoon of ginger garlic paste. Cook until raw smell goes off. Now I have added tomatoes, 1 cup of tomatoes which are finely chopped, closing the lid and cooking for about 3 minutes. Now tomatoes are cooked well, they have turned soft and mushy. It's time to add spices. 1 spoon of red chili powder, half spoon of dhania powder, 2 spoons of Pav Bhaji masala powder and little bit of dry mango powder. Mix all the spices well with the ingredients. Make sure the flame is in low when you add the spices. Now we can add the mashed vegetables which we have pressure cooked. Mix it well. So now after mixing thoroughly, we have to cook this in low flame for 5 minutes. Now it's good to go. Finally we can add some finely chopped coriander leaves. So the next step is, in a pan I have added 1 spoon of butter. We have to fry the pavs here. We have to fry these pavs 2 minutes. That's it. Pavs are ready. And you can finally garnish it with little butter, coriander leaves and onions, side of lemon. That's it guys. This is a yummy street style Pav Bhaji is ready. You can make this food at home and enjoy. So if you like this video, press the like button. Do share it with your friends and family. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to receive my video notifications.